Hello everyone, welcome to Raj Solution. This is Rajarshi Maiti, pursuing MBA from IBS Dehradun. This video is on the topic of listing procedure of securities in India. First, we have to know what is listing. According to listing, we can say that listing means the admissions of securities of a company to trading on a stock exchange. But is listing compulsory? Answer is listing is not compulsory, but it becomes necessary when a public limited company desires to issue its shares or debentures to the public. That means we can say that it is the first time issue of a share or debenture to the public. That means this is the initial issue. That means we can say that it is initial public offering, that is IPO. After that, the listing of securities takes place to the stock exchange for trading. Because an investor can't trade his share or debenture in the primary market. If he want to trade his or her share or debenture, then he has to go to the secondary market. That means stock exchange. But if you want to know about the details, then please go to the previous video, that is capital market video. I have already attached the link in the description box. The most important point, that is the listing procedure always follows three regulations. The first, Companies Act, that is Securities Companies Act 1957, Companies Act 2013, SEBI regulation. SEBI regulation, that means Security Exchange Board of India Regulation Act. Then next point is advantage of listing. That means in this point we will describe what are the advantages of listing. The first advantage is it provides ready marketability and liquidity of company's securities. That's why the trading takes place through various investors in the stock exchange. Then the free negotiability of stocks. That means negotiability of price of shares or debentures on the market that depends on the market demand and supply, does not depend on the company. Next advantage is it protects the shareholders and investors' interest, because listing always follows the SEBI guideline or regulation, which protects the investors' interest. It provides a mechanism for effective control and supervision of trading. Then we will describe the types of. First type is, what is initial listing? When a company issues its share first time, that is initial public, that is first time issue, then the company should make the listing in the stock exchange. But if the company offers it to the public, that means this is the initial public offering, that is IPO, then the company must have to make the listing in the stock exchange. Then next type of listing is in public issue. It is not initial public issue, or it is not the initial public offering. That means in public issue, we does not count the initial public offering. We always avoid the initial public offering. In this case, that means in public issue, we always count the second time, third time, fourth time, and so on time public issue. That means it is the FPO. That means it is the further public offering. That means we can easily say that in public issue types of listing, we always avoid the initial public offering, that is first time public offering, that is IPO. Then next, right issue. In a company, suppose a company, he wants to sell his shares, then he always sells his shares to the existing shareholders. That means in right issue or the types right issue of listing, company always sells his shares to the existing shareholders. Then listings takes place. But in this condition, per share price of right issue is always less than the current market price of the share. Then next type of listing is merger or amalgamation. During merger, amalgamated company gives his share to the merger company. Then only listing takes place for the new shares with the new amalgamated company. Then our next topic, documentation for listing. That means if a company want to make listing in the stock exchange, then what are the documents required? The first is copies of memorandum of association or articles of association. Next copies is of capital structure. Details of capital structure, that means the particular amount details of equity stock, preference stock, debenture, etc., etc., and which is previously used by the company. Then last 5 years advertisement proof of offering securities. Then next, agreements with underwriters. Then next documentation is last 5 years proof of financial statements of the company. So what are the financial statements? Financial statements, that means first one is income statement, balance sheet, cash flows, etc., etc. Then next required documents or next required documentation for listing is letter of allotment copy. Letter of allotment copy of share or debenture. So what are the letter of allotment copy for share and debenture? That means it is the letter which is provided by the organization to the shareholders as a proof of allotted share. Then next required document, letter of regret. Letter of regret. Letter of regret, that means it is a letter which is provided by the organization for showing regret to the investors who did not get the share or debentures. Then the details after incorporation of company. So details after incorporation of company, that means this is the details proof of changes in the capital structure or changes in the funds, etc., etc., in the company after incorporation. That means changes after incorporation of the company and its details. Documentation is statement of distributions of share, that is share distribution details. Then next required documentation is details of share forfeiture. Details of share forfeiture, that means if a shareholder does not pay the payments on time, then his application money has been acquired by the organization. That means that amount details is required for the documentation. That means the forfeiture amount details is required for the documentation. Then the next topic is next point or the next documentation or the last documentation is consent copy from the SEBI. That means consent letter from the Security Exchange Board of India. Then listing procedure. So what are the listing procedure? Application. That means application to the stock exchange listing community. That means the company have to make an application to the listing community of stock exchange. Procedure is scrutinized. Scrutinized, that means then the application will be scrutinized according to your financial position, liquidity, etc., etc. Procedure is acceptance. Acceptance, that means if the application is granted by the listing community of the stock exchange, then the listing community of the stock exchange will make an agreement with your company. List for trading. That means you get listed to the stock exchange, then securities are ready for trading. That means your securities are listed in the stock exchange or secondary market. This is the whole procedure of listing. That's it for today. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for never miss another update. And if you like the video, then press the like button and also comments and share with your friends. Keep growing, stay blessed. Thank you.